Have you been struggling to find business funding? What about an instantly approved 3 to 25,000? Would that help you? Well, let me tell you, I might have some solutions for you if possibly your credit is a little on the fair side and maybe you've just started your business. So let me ask you, have you been in business at least 6 months? Do you have at least a 600 credit score? Do you have your last 3 months of bank statements? If you have those things, I have a source for you that can help you. Instantly approvals mean the day that you put your documentation in and you get your approvals, if it's before 12 p.m., you get your money same day. If it's after 12 p.m., you get your money the next day. Listen, COVID has provided us some certain avenues to deal with challenges. This is one of those that I hope helps you. The link is below.